Okay, yeah. Well, welcome in this second session, whereby in this one we are going to navigate into one of the IFC translators, into one of our different software translators, BIM Vision. So BIM Vision is one of the translator of these other softwares. That means it can be able to read IFC file. We are going to see the navigation, but which is more focusing on the quantity surveying perspective. Okay, so now there is a lot of plugins here being published, but what we are going to focus now is what we can be able to use. So that means the plugin which is available for free and which is ready to be used by us. I hope you downloaded already the BIM Vision software, because it's very good to have the same speed when I'm practicing, and you can also be doing the same. If you have the software open in front of your computer and you need to know where to start, so first of all, you have to know how to read a software. This is the skills for any software. How to read the software, you need to first understand the features. So one of the features here, we have to start from top. We have view, we have objects, we have sections, we have measurements, we have changes, and we have plugins. For us today, we are going to be focusing on the section, we are focusing on the measurements, and we are going to focus on objects and views. Okay, now after that we need also to focus on types. We need to focus on types. We need to focus on camera, view, story side, offset, and see also, but this is not that much. So what we are going to really focus that much is going to be the view. Okay, so this one, the view. We look much on the objects. Okay, yeah, so we are going to look much on the objects and so on. Okay, now we are going to first upload a drawing. How to upload a drawing in BIM Vision? To upload a drawing, you can immediately go to the drawings and open it. If you have an IFC drawing, you don't need to open the software then you go upload it. You can go to the drawing and double click on it. If it is an IFC and you have BIM Vision installed, it will open. But as long as we have opened already the software, for us then to open a project, we can come here to folder, which is this folder icon, click on it. It will take us to where we have put our drawings. Then we come to this one, the first one, 6 project 1. Then we open. So when it is opening, it actually gives this red charts, and it's loading all the project components, the project information. So remember, in our definition, we say this is a translator. So before the projects look like this, so first I need to come to bring it back how it should be looking. Okay, so actually this is how the project should be looking. The background, it's like this. So actually this is how even in your projects, that's how it's looking like. But in your project, it might not be the same. Actually, yeah, in your project, when you open, it might look like this. So when it looks like this, what you can do to make it look like how it looks before, you just come to this object color, you click there on top, then you bring it back. So this is how you can change its view for you to be able to visualize all your project components. As you can see on these projects, we are even able to visualize the reinforcements on the slabs. This is really interesting. So now I can click on it, even I can have some informations about it, because when I come here I can have some different informations about these items. Okay, so now before we start the quantifications part, before we start extracting the quantities, I first need to take you through how to use it as a quantity surveyor. When you have this BIM model, you have this IFC file of your project. You need maybe to change the background to black. You just come here to settings, go to background color, then you put this one as it was before. You can then take any other one. If this color is not of your choice, you can use any dark blue. Okay, so you can really use any of these available software's backgrounds which is in the software. So let's say I like to use this one actually. Okay, so this one not really nice, and this don't give me. Okay, so let me use this one. It gives me the clarity of my items. Then I hope you can also do the same. Just come to view options, click on it, go to the background, then click dark. That will have to bring it the same. If you have a background, a project like this, just click here, it will go. Then sometimes we don't know where we are, we don't know what item we clicked, so it's required for you, because we are under view, this way we are focusing, it requires you to click on the mini map, this one, mini map. So mini map, it will actually bring here different components. So first is going to bring you the direction, which is this front. Second is going to give you the location, which is on the roof. So that means our cursor is now on the roof. Now, if we say, when we click on this item, as you can see, it's giving ground floor. It's showing it as ground floor. Okay, so it's showing it as ground floor. Now, if we click here, it's showing it as first floor. Okay, and the view is in the front. So in this first floor, if you need information, if you see this one, this tab here, this one, it is having the informations of the item which you click. So this one is having all the informations, and this one is showing you the level, first floor, how it look like. Then if you open this quantity, if you open this QTO, you're going to find the translations, the real translations of these informations. So we have the depths. So now you understand the thickness of your slab is 15, then 15 centimeter, so or 150 millimeter. Then the gross area, you can see the square meter, 237.928. So this is the gross area of this slab. Then you have the gross volume, your cubic meter, then you have the net area, then you have the net volumes, then you have the perimeter. So now here you can have the concrete volume, the cubic meter of the concrete, you have it of this flow. You have the formworks to the sides, which is 2:1, this is the perimeter, and you have the formwork to the soffits of the slabs, which is 237.9. So see the informations that you have now with a single click. Let's say I need also to go on another floor, just random click. If you don't know even which floor you're clicking, with the mini map, you can see its third floor, and the informations are here, all listed. If you click on these components, it's showing you here, it's exactly showing you where you're clicking, and it's showing on the ground floor. And if you need information, it's going to show you the depths, the gross area, the volumes, the length, and the all the informations. As you can see, if you then click on this big one, this item, this one, you see it's showing you where it's located. Let's see this. See, it's showing you where it's located, okay, and it's showing you the flow and showing you the map, plus it's giving you the depth, give you the gross volume and gross area. So it gives you the length, it gives you the net area, net volume. So it's giving you the perimeter and it's giving you the width. So you can see the amount of the informations being given. And if you see the name, even this is one, it's a full thing. You can see the D, it's all. So F1, C1, so it gives you all the informations available for this specific unit. So I believe now you see how you can navigate very well in the model and the amount of informations which you can be looking at. So let's try some beams as well. So for you to try some beams, so you can just come on this one. You can come on this, you just click on any of the beam, okay. So it's giving you the second floor, it's giving you all the information. If you don't visualize it very well, you can just come here, you can see it, okay. You can have the QTO, the quantities, how it is on that specific beam. So I believe you've seen how to check on individual items. You click, the model is showing you the location. You see it's giving me the corner, where is that column located. If I click inside, you can see it's giving me and showing me where it's located. You can see it here. See, it's showing me where it's located here. So if I go on the QTO, it will also give me. So it's indicated here on the model and on the minimap indicated here. So you can see now the relationship between the model and the minimap. You understand? Okay, so now I believe we've captured how we navigate in the model one by one. And again, if you want to visualize some items, here you can come to the objects. Actually, you can come to the objects, so you can hide unselected. So that means hide everything except what I selected. You can do this. Then you have only what you selected. Then you can click display to bring them back. Then you can hide what you've selected. You can do this. So the other column is gone. Then you can display to bring it back. So as you can see, when you go to objects, you have the selected here, how you can do the selected, and again you have another one for unselected here. Okay, so you can now differentiate them. If you want to work with unselected, you work at this one, then unselected this one. So I hope you've captured the idea how you navigate. Now the third session, we are going to now see how we can combine different big quantities. Like we need all columns, we need all beams, we need all footings at once. How can we get all of these informations? Remember, we are extracting informations from the IFC model, but this is now for the structure. Thank you so much. Then see you in the next session, which is going to be the third and the last one for this webinar. Thank you once again.